Connecting with the vibration of the sun. As a planet right now, we are going through a transformation. We are transforming with the solar system into a higher level of vibration. This is very similar in physics to what is known as a change of phase, when matter starts to vibrate at a higher level and changes into a different form, like the transition that we see from liquid to gas, or from solid to liquid, such as with the transformation from ice to water. During the transitional phase between two different states of being, there's very often a period of chaotic energy. During this time, everything is being transformed and changed. This is happening at many levels. It is happening at the level of the solar system. It is happening at the level of the galaxy. And as a result of this, because our planet is immersed within the solar system and is receiving these increased rays of energy, light and consciousness, the transformation is also happening on the Earth, and it's also happening to every being and every molecule that lives on this Earth. So as the sun shifts in vibration, we too experience shifts. We experience them at the cellular level, but we also experience them at the chakra level, and at the level of the energy meridians, and at the level of the energy field. We also experience shifts within the DNA. All of these parts are connected, and that means that one part cannot shift without the other. So the DNA, the cells, the energy pathways, the chakras, the energy field will all be shifting at the same time. This is a great process, but it's also a challenging one, because within ourselves we hold all of the stored energy that is connected to every experience that we have ever had. This means that as we activate our energy to the next level, our energy field will begin to release also stored baggage from childhood, past lives, and other multidimensional experiences. And as it does so, we may begin to experience more vividly, as in a detox, some of the patterns that have been stored at the energetic level within our being. Unlike a detox, though, where we can actually choose if we want to go on a detox, at the moment we have reached a point in the transformation of the collective and in the transformation of the space universe that we reside in which the detox, the transformation, is no longer optional. The energies are coming in from the galaxy, the center of the galaxy, and they're coming in from the sun, and as they reach the earth plane with more and more intensity, we are automatically called into a shift. If we have done a lot of work on ourselves, we may find that this shift is relatively easy. If we have not, it may be that many issues release all at the same time, and this explains why at the moment there are many people on the earth plane that are very volatile and losing their tempers quite easily, because they are under a lot of pressure, not just financially due to changes in our society but also literally energetically, they are dealing with a lot of pressure. So, how can this be facilitated? Even people that have been working on themselves for quite a long time may find that really old, stored past life baggage is coming up now for clearing. For the very last time, we may be confronted with patterns that we have already seen many times before. Or we may find that there's some new patterns that we haven't seen before that are being pulled up from the soul memory. Ancient lives that we have no conscious experience of until now. Another side effect of this increased light is literally that the energy pathways that hold this light are challenged to hold this much voltage. This is why, as part of the healing work that I do, I have for some time now been clearing people's chakras and their meridians and energy fields, and also the part of the past life baggage that can be cleared easily and effortlessly through energetic work. Not all past lives can be cleared this way, but some can, and the ones that can be removed energetically from the soul matrix and all of the expressions of the soul matrix throughout the dimensional experience. That is, from your soul all the way to your physical body and the cells that compose it. So this is the explanation of why the energy that is coming in at the moment from the sun can be challenging. However, this is not the only truth about this energy. This energy is also highly activating in consciousness. So although it has some side effects, it is actually taking us to a place in which we are going to be experiencing a more refined consciousness, in which we're going to be experiencing more of ourselves and our multidimensional aspects, all in one place, in one body, in the now. We're not quite there yet, but we are moving towards this experience of expansion. The more we can do the work of clearing what is in the way of the full transmission of this light, the more easily we can experience this expansion. And that will be all for now.